Welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you so much for all those like showing me their support. I really appreciate you guys. I just really want to take this opportunity because I owe it all to you guys. Thank you so much. We are now 800 subscribers. Yay! And yeah, and if you are new to my channel, I'm just gonna take this opportunity also to like invite you. The subscribe button is just right here. Yes, and also give this video a like, and you know the next one, right? Yes, hit that bell notification button, and also help me share this video. Thank you so much. Wait, what? I'm lost. No, actually, I don't know what video I'm going to give to you guys actually because I never prepared today. I got a little bit busy, but still I want to give you something. And on the last minute, I said like, why not cook dinner of what's in the fridge? Like whatever we like find in the fridge, we're going to cook that. And so we're just going to do that. Let's go check the fridge. Okay, so like I'm just going to check what's in the fridge. Let's see what we can cook out of it. Okay, great. This first two like caught my eyes. First, fresh noodles. Alright. I think it should be enough. Yep. We have cabbage. Yeah, half of it. And this is spring onion. And yeah, some carrots because I made the bakwan. I never finished it actually, the carrots the other day. So we're just going to like cook it today. So yeah, let me cook the noodles for 5 minutes and I'll get back to you guys. I think this one is enough. So I'll get back to you for cooking once I cook this. Alright, so here's now our what's in the fridge ingredients: stir-fried noodles. And I'm telling you guys, it's very simple, quick and easy, and it's very fragrant and yummy. So now we're going to eat it, we're going to taste our what's in the fridge noodles. Oh, so this is very fragrant. So now we're going to taste it. You know, what's in the fridge noodles. It actually turns out very good. Wow. Just egg, some leftover cabbage and carrots, noodles, soy sauce, chicken powder. Ooh. Ooh. Can you see that, guys? It's steaming hot. Oh, it's very good with chili. But I'm too lazy to cut now, but I'm just gonna enjoy it right now. I cut the carrot floral because why not? It's fun. I love fun things. So hope you guys are inspired to check on your fridge sometime. And if you want to try something new and you don't exactly know what you want to cook, you can just simply open your fridge and then just see what are the ingredients that you can possibly cook and put together, because it's your kitchen. Bye.